Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Dodge Journey GT all-wheel drive. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Underneath the snow, this guy is in pitch black. It looks great. You do have the Dodge badging there with your chrome accenting on the front there. You do also have your halogen headlights there with your fog lights hanging out down there. And coming around the side, we do have our Destination brand tire, our Firestone brand tires with our 17-inch rims. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you get the Journey all-wheel drive badging, the GT and the Dodge there. You can open this guy up right here. Looks great back here as well. Very spacious, lots and lots of room for storage. You got some extra storage there, and you can also fold this guy up. You got lots of room just underneath there as well. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We have that one for our remote start and our panic button there. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, just gotta put your hand there, it will unlock for you. Plus you got the button there to lock it. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. You got your handle, another handle here, and some storage with a place for a water bottle. Looks great in here. Leather seats, very nice and comfy. They are electric as well, so backward, forward, tilt, and lumbar support there. And then you do also have the control over your lights, so auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as you can press it in for the fog lights, and in-cabin light control here. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Let's start her up here, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have right in the center there how many kilometers we have, which is 75,000, not too bad at all. You can switch it around to your fuel economy, vehicle info, your vehicle speed, your trip info, tire KPA. You also have your vehicle info, messages, and you can turn the menu off, as well as you do have your fuel economy and what channel we're on there. That is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And in the center you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Looks great. You got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as your media player, if you have one hooked up through USB, your disc, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. You have your controls over heated seats, heated steering wheel, outlet, and your screen. You got your climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You do also have your phone options and your settings right over there. Just down here we do have our hazard lights, AC, circulation, front and rear defrost, and your traction control. Your volume up and down with the power, temperature control, power, off auto. And you do also have your tuner and browser over there, your SD card slot, your CD player, and your eject. Some storage here with a USB and aux cord. Cup holders, gear shift, and then you do have your armrest. It doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there as well. Fold that back up. Then over here you do have your locking glove box with your owner's manual inside of it. And up top you got your lights and a sunglass holder right there. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you have that same chrome accenting, control over your windows, a handle, and some more storage down here. Looks great in here as well. Spacious, and you do have the leather seats. Seats 5 people all together, and you can fold this guy down right here if you didn't have the person in the middle. And you do have an armrest and some cup holders. You also got a plug-in right over there, and you do have some additional storage just underneath there. And then you can fold this forward like that, and then you got extra room in the back. There's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2017 Dodge Journey GT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.